If you're looking for live sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick, check this out, guys. It's super easy. First thing we're going to do is download a program called Downloader. So come to the search icon, type in Downloader, D-O-W-N. Downloader should come right up. The orange icon, Downloader, click on it, get it, install it. There's one thing I'm going to ask everybody. Please share this with a friend. It's the only thing I really ask anybody to do with these videos. Please share it. Helps out with everybody to get some great movies, TV shows, to get some great sports, to get some great live TV. Yeah? Perfect. Okay. Once Downloader is installed, let's go to the home screen and head all the way to the settings icon on the far right. Come down to My Fire TV. And if you do not already have developer options listed here, click under About, and then under Fire TV Stick, use your remote, click it about 7 to 10 times, and then as you can see, no need. You are now a developer. Then go to Developer Options. Under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. This gives Downloader the ability to sideload applications that may not be available on your Amazon Fire TV. Once we've downloaded Downloader and we've jailbroken our Fire Stick, go over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games list here, find Downloader, use the 3-line button on your remote and move it to the front. Now, next thing to download, guys. Find yourself a good, reliable VPN to safeguard your online activity. So, I would suggest Surfshark VPN. Come down, hit Surfshark, download, install, and get it. Use the link in the description below to get yourself 82% off and a few free months. Once Surfshark's installed, open it up. So it currently says I am not protected. So I'm in Canada, so I'm going to click on the United States. And now we are protected and our online privacy is secure. All our activity that we do online is now secured. Go back to the home screen, look for a Downloader, open it up. Say yes and allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on the device. Here's a quick start guide. And under Downloader, we're going to type in a quick URL. 370.178. And this will send you to the Led by the Unknown webpage where we can find these awesome applications. Guys, once again, during this 5-second redirect, please share this with one of your friends. Once Downloader's 5-second redirect is completed, use the 3-line button on your remote, and then add the current page to the favorites, and we no longer have to wait for the 5-second redirect. So now, guys, on this download page, we got a couple of videos and how-tos, extra ones for you. Some applications for movies and TV shows, live TV, sports, and you name it. All right. Today, let's scroll down a bit. Under movies and TV shows, right here, the top one, guys. Everyone wants this on their app. Everyone wants this on their Amazon Fire TV stick. You just slide on down under this page. Now, guys, if you're looking for a great deal on Surfshark, please get your phone, scan this QR code, and get yourself up to 86% off and up to 5 free months. Do it before the deal is over. We can click the little X sign there, and then we hit the HD or the ad-free version. Small little 60 meg file. We're going to allow it to install. Once it's installed, click done. We don't want to open it up because we need to delete the APK file. Delete it and it's good to go. Another great application for movies and TV shows. Now if you're into live TV, top one here. Head on down. We got the main or a backup to download the app. This is even a smaller application. So again, install. Click done. Delete the APK file. And delete. Yes, we want to delete. Back up. And if we're looking for sports, head on down a little further. Second one in the list here for sports. Trust me, you'd like this one for sports, folks. You get the latest and an older version for a backup just in case if something's not working. Again, install, and then click done, delete the APK file, and we're good to go. Hi guys, movies and TV shows, live TV, streaming apps. We can click something like, say, Zumo TV. Click on Zumo, head on down to the bottom. You have Android device or Amazon device or mobile. And of course, install. No special permissions required. Hit done. Delete. And delete. And we go back to the downloads page. Got Freebie, Fossum, Pluto. Bunch of stuff, guys. Some adults. Now we go back to the home screen. Head over to the 3 squares plus sign. The apps and games, and of course we can highlight. We can use the 3-line button, move to the front. We can do this for all our applications for the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Always remember, allow to access photos and media. So folks, if you're looking for movies and TV shows on your Amazon Fire TV Stick, movies, TV shows, featured, favorites, history, all the latest and greatest that you'd ever imagine. You guys are you looking for the best application for live TV on your Amazon Fire TV Stick? Check this out. Sports. Fire. Fire. Everything's on fire. Are you looking for the best app for sports? Check this out. Schedules. If you're looking for one of the best apps for movies and TV shows, live TV, you name it, with a guide, movies, TV shows, networks, we got it. Enjoy. Peace. All right, guys.